Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Students, I am Masood, your project teacher. So in this video we are going to see how to download the Arduino IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment, where we are going to write the programs for controlling the Arduino microcontrollers input and output pin. So just you download, by seeing this video guide, you download and keep the Arduino IDE ready for the next class. So in the next class I will explain all the things about the programming in Arduino and what is the Arduino, what are the different variants in Arduino. All those things I will explain in the project class. So now in this video guide I will guide you how to download the Arduino. So for that, what you have to do is just open Google Chrome or any other online browser, and type this ID in the type this address in the address bar. Arduino.cc. You have to type that and give enter. So this web page will be open. So in that, the Arduino home page will be open. In that you can have the software, you can see the software. So if you click the software, so pull down menu will be open for you, and you can see the downloads. There you can download the Arduino IDE software. So once you click on that downloads, it will be directed to a new web page, which is the download page for your Arduino software. So it will be like this. You have to come down, scroll down, you can see the Arduino latest software. So this video was prepared for 1.8.12. so I think now if you go into the website, you can see Arduino 1.8.13. The latest version was available, and the latest version available is 1.8.13. so what you have to do is you have to download this Arduino IDE software. How to download? There are various categories for download. What is the category for us is, we have to download the zip file as a non-admin installer, for the usage of non-admin installer. So click this Windows zip file for non-admin install. If you are using Windows operating system. If you are using Apple, we have to go for Mac, or if you are operating the laptop using Linux, you have to go for Linux, and please check what is the category of your Linux operating system and correctly download that. So mostly we are using our laptops with the Windows OS. So when you are using Windows OS, so click Windows zip file for non-admin install. When you click that, it will be directed to another page like this. So here you have to click just download. You have to click just download. So once you click this just download, the Arduino IDE software will get installed on your downloads folder. So in your laptop, your Arduino will be downloaded as a zip file. So that zip file will be downloaded in the downloads folder of your laptop. So once it is downloaded, once the download is finished, maybe it will take less than 5 minutes, depending on the internet connectivity. So for a decent internet connectivity, maybe within less than 5 minutes the full software will be getting downloaded, but as a zip file. We have to extract it. So right click the downloaded zip file, it will be asked for extracting the file. You can use WinRAR or any other unzipping software, and you can unzip it, you can extract it, and you can keep it in the location. You can keep it in any location, maybe in the desktop or maybe in some other folders of your desktop or laptop. Now after downloading, as I said, you have to unzip it, and once you unzip it and once you keep it in the folder, it will be like this. It will be like this as name Arduino 1.8. and if you download now, it will be 13. I have downloaded already, so it is 12. So if you download now, it will be now 1.8.13. So once you after unzipping, after extracting the file from the zipped version, you can double click this, and you can see a page like this. So here the highlighted item is the Arduino application file. okay, .exe file, executable file. So once you double click that, the Arduino IDE's home page will be open to you, and it will be looking like, so it is a pop-up menu will be indicating you that it is opening. So once it is completed, so your web page, your Arduino home page will be open, and up to this you have to finish it. So even though not possible, even though if you are having any problem or any difficulty or any technical assistance if you need for downloading, you can call me. And now we are stopping here, because up to here you can finish and keep the Arduino IDE software ready. Once you download it, and in our project class I will guide you to start developing the software, okay, start developing the codings, okay. So we will start from simple coding, and we will go up to our projects coding. So what you need to do is, so finish the downloading process and make it possible that you are reaching up to this screen, you are able to reach up to this screen. So this is the home page of Arduino IDE, okay. Here only we are going to write the codings, and we are going to execute it, and we are going to dump the coding in the process Arduino microcontroller. Then we are going to control it, okay. Then we are going to control our lamp from 3 different places, or from 3 different modes, okay. Okay, misters, we will see in the next class, we will see in the project class, okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.